If you've ever wondered what the is going on in quantum mechanics, I'm going to make a very brief video to describe as much as I possibly can about quantum mechanics. Okay, we have some system. This system is going to be a single electron, and we want to know something about the electron. We want to know its spin. Spin can be either up or down in this scenario. Say we measure the spin in the z direction. Now, before we go and actually bounce a photon off of it and make a measurement, we don't know what it is. So what we say is that it exists in a linear superposition of up and down. How do we represent that? We represent it with something called a wave function or a state vector. Kind of the same thing. Different versions of representations of the same thing. Now, this wave function or state vector is a complex function. It has a real part and imaginary part. And we go to actually make the measurement to determine whether it's up or down. What we're doing in math terms is we are operating on that wave function. So we multiply a matrix by that wave function or that state vector, and what we get is some multiple of some value that we're used to getting, a familiar value called an eigenvalue. And the vector that appears on the other side of the equation, well, it appears on both sides of the equation, is called the eigenvector. So the operator, the thing that happens when we're making a measurement, when we go, there it is, that's a matrix in mathematics. That's a matrix operation. You're taking some matrix and you're applying it to this wave function. So you do the mathematics, you apply the matrix to this function, and you get some results, right? No, you get a set of results with probabilities. This wave function corresponds to the square root of the probability of the outcomes, where the sum of the probabilities of the outcomes always equals 1, because there's a 100% chance that something's going to happen when you make a measurement. And so you don't do the mathematics in quantum mechanics and make a measurement and go, okay, the outcome will be up for the spin in the z direction. No. The outcome is 50% that it'll be up and 50% that it'll be down. And that's the best you can get. It's the best that nature has given us for these very small, very fundamental things. Like, comment, subscribe.